Before Ayanda went to work, myself and Ayanda spoke about the food for the afternoon.
En toe het iemand gestuur om die polisie te kom haal, ga ek vir die persoon.
And he sent someone to come and fetch the polish, and I asked this person,
Hoe laat is dit?
and what time is.
Good. If what you are telling the court is the truth,
Goed, as dan wat u nou vir die hof sê as dit die waarheid is,
why did you tell this court then that when you left your house in that morning, you went to ask food for your kids from Kelly, if Ayanda was going to provide for you?
dan hoekom het u dan as die waarheid is, as u getuige dat u die oggend geloop, nee, om kos te gaan vra by Kelly vir die kinders, as Ayanda sou geld gegee het vir kos?
Dit was die oggend dat daar nie genoeg kos gewees vir my kinders nie.
That was the morning, my Lord, when there was not enough food for myself and the kids.
In that
The
morning,
witness was wanted to explain further, my Lord. Gaan voor mevrou.
En die middag het Ayanda die geld gestuur om kos te maak vir die middag vir ons om te eet.
And Ayanda sent the money the afternoon so that we can make food for the afternoon.
I'm still in the morning. I didn't go to the evening or in the afternoon. I'm asking you questions regarding the morning.
Ek is nog steeds besig met die oggend, mevrou, dis nog nie by die middag nie.
Does it make sense for you? If Ayanda is telling you that I'm going to send money, for you to take your children and say I'm going to Kelly to ask food for my kids?
Can you please repeat the first part, please?
Before Ayanda left for work,
Voor Ayanda werk toe gegaan het,
you discussed the budget of food for the afternoon, for the kids and for him.
julle het gepraat oor die kos vir die middag vir u en die kinders.
Dis korrek.
That's correct.
If now you were given that promise or that hope by Ayanda, why did you tell this court that you went to Kelly to ask food for the kids?
As Ayanda dan u daai hoop gegee het, net dan geld gestuur word om kos te gaan koop vir die kinders of vir die middag. Hoekom het u dan na Kelly toe gegaan om kos te gaan vra die oggend?
Dit was my eie, ek het vir myself sê, ek gaan daar by Kelly sê, en gaan kos vra vir my kinders.
I told myself that I'm going to Kelly's house and ask food for my children.
You know why you are making all these unnecessary discrepancies in your evidence?
Weet jy hoekom is daar so verskillende die so foute is in wat u sê?
Do you know the reason why?
Weet u die rede?
Nee, my Lord.
No, my Lord.
You want me to tell you the reason why you are making these discrepancies?
Wil u ek moet vir u sê hoekom is daar so foute?
Mevrou kan maar sê,
You may say, ma'am,
Because you are lying.
as want u praat leuns.
ek lieg nie.
I'm not lying.
You told the court in the morning
U het vir die hof gesê die oggend
that your mother and your father disciplined you.
u het gesê dat u se ma en pa het gedissipline.
Dis
Geleer.
korrek.
Yes, that's correct.
It's common cause. It was not the first time you were going at Kelly's place on the 18th.
Ons weet dat dit was nie die eerste keer wat u na Kelly se huis gegaan het daai dag,
As you said in your evidence.
soos u gesê het u se getuienis.
Dis korrek.
That's correct.
When you visit them, as you said, accuse one and accuse two their friends, when you visit them, how do you enter their house?
As u nou na hulle toe gaan om vir hulle te gaan kuier, nee, hoe gaan u in die huis in?
Ek klop aan die deur.
I knock at the door.
Why on this day, on the 18th of February 2024, you chose not to knock at the door, but to go and stand in the corner?
Hoekom op hierdie dag op die 18de, nee, aan die 18de van Februarie maand 2024, u het nie gaan kloppie by die deurie, maar u het gekies om agter te staan in die hoek.
Want ek het gehoor stemme.
It's because I heard voices.